Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off select personalized ads on your eBay app. We will go to figure out this solution. Know how you can do that. Just go up, you will click here on app, and it's going to show for you window like this. And you just go down here, then you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to the next window here. You just go down here, then you come here to add version and related preferences, and you come to the next window here. Then you just switch into this mark, going to keep fixing this, and you just keep going down here. And so we just waiting, and when you go down here, you just find this mark here, and select personalized ads, or select personalized ads. You just click here on this mark or color here, and like you see color, it's gone. That's means select personalized ads, it's on off now. I wish you I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.